CloverImaging.com stores all of your shipping addresses, regardless if you ordered online or offline when you first created it. Shipping addresses can be created in two places. First, on the Shipping Addresses page, and second, during the checkout process. To access your shipping addresses, you must first log into your Clover account. Then, on the right side, click on Shipping Addresses. This page will list all your current shipping addresses. The list can be sorted by clicking on arrows in the header next to the column you want to sort by. To add a new shipping address, click Add New Address. Here, you enter all the required address details. And click Save. Back on the address list, you can edit and delete an address. You can also set a default address by clicking on the star icon. The default address will always be pre-selected during the checkout process. On the checkout page, your default ship-to address will be pre-selected. From here, you can search other addresses, or add a new ship-to address by clicking on Add New Address button. Once the address is selected, you can edit its details directly on the checkout page. Simply click on the small pen icon next to the field you want to edit. If this tutorial has not answered your question, or if you require additional assistance, you can use the live chat feature found on the bottom right-hand corner of CloverImaging.com, or email us at websupport@CloverImaging.com.